In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MidJourney to create images for advertising campaigns. 2025 Step-by-Step Tutorial. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type MidJourney and hit enter. Look for the official MidJourney website in the results and click through. This ensures you're using the legitimate tool with the newest features and interface updates. Once you're on the site, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the image you want. For this demo, we'll use a clear, ad-friendly concept, a black horse emerging from a phone device. This kind of prompt works well for campaigns because it's bold, metaphorical, and instantly communicates motion and innovation. To refine the output for advertising, consider adding helpful descriptors right in the prompt, like dramatic lighting, studio background, high contrast, and room for headline text. If you already know the placement, you can also mention an aspect ratio such as 1.1 for square or 16:9 for landscape, so your layout fits social and display formats without heavy cropping. When your prompt is ready, click Submit. MidJourney will generate several options. Give it a moment to render. As the results appear, evaluate them with an advertiser's eye. Look for clean negative space for copy, strong subject separation that still reads at small sizes, and a simple background that keeps attention on your message. Choose the image that best aligns with your brand's tone and the campaign's goal. Next, head over to Canva in your browser. Canva makes it easy to turn that image into a polished ad. In the search bar, look for templates designed for ad campaigns. You'll find formats for common placements like social feeds, stories, and banners. Pick a template that matches the size you need and has a layout that complements the image you selected. Open the template and drop your MidJourney image into the main frame. Adjust the crop to create a strong focal point and make sure important elements aren't covered by platform UI. Replace the placeholder text with your headline and call to action, keeping it brief and benefit-driven. Align colors and fonts with your brand to maintain consistency and check contrast for readability on both light and dark modes. That's it. You searched for MidJourney, crafted your prompt, submitted it, selected the best result, then moved into Canva to pair it with a ready-made ad template. With this workflow, you can go from concept to campaign-ready visuals in minutes.